The term gear typically refers to mechanical components consisting of toothed wheels that mesh together to transmit motion, or change the speed, torque, or direction of rotational movement. Gears are mechanical devices that are usually circular in shape and have teeth-like structures on the edges or top. Gears are essential elements in machinery, vehicles, and various mechanical systems. The gears are used in many machines to provide rotational force and torque for its working. The basic principle behind the operation of gears is analogous to the basic principle of levers. Meshing gears of different diameters produce three changes: a change in torque, creating a mechanical advantage, an inverse change in rotational speed, and a change in the sense of the rotation, a clockwise rotation becoming an anti-clockwise one and vice versa. Two or more meshing gears, working in a sequence, are called a gear train or a transmission. The working of gears involves the transfer of motion and power from one gear to another, through the engagement of their teeth. Here's a basic overview of how gears work. Engagement. Gears are mounted on shafts and positioned such that their teeth mesh together. When one gear rotates, its teeth come into contact with the teeth of another gear, causing the second gear to rotate as well. Transmission of motion. As the teeth of one gear push against the teeth of another gear, they transmit rotational motion from one gear to the other. The size, shape, and arrangement of the gear teeth determine the speed, torque, and direction of rotation. Gear ratio. The ratio of the number of teeth on the driving gear to the number of teeth on the driven gear determines the gear ratio. For example, if the driving gear has more teeth than the driven gear will rotate faster than driving gear. Direction of rotation. Depending on the arrangement of the gears, parallel shafts, intersecting shafts, or non-parallel and non-intersecting shafts, the motion can be transmitted in the same direction, opposite direction, or at right angles. Mechanical advantage. Gears provide a mechanical advantage by allowing the transfer of power and motion while altering speed and torque. This allows machines to perform tasks more efficiently by adjusting the force and speed applied to different components. Gears come in various types and configurations, such as spur gears, helical gears, bevel gears, and worm gears, each suited for specific applications. Spur gear. Spur gears are widely utilized gears with straight teeth, commonly mounted on parallel shafts. Their design is characterized by simplicity. However, they are known as gears that operate best at moderate speeds, as their high-speed operation can result in excessive noise. Helical gear. Helical gears are similar to spur gears except that their teeth are cut at an angle to the hole axis, rather than straight and parallel to the hole like the teeth of a spur gear. The line of contact between two teeth is not parallel to the teeth but inclined. Helical gears offer smoother gear operation, reducing shock loads and causing less noise and vibration. Internal gear. Internal gear is a gear with its teeth cut in the internal surface of a cylinder and meshes with spur gears. Internal gear are used in hydraulic pumps. The pumps have better suction capabilities than external gear designs and are more suited to high-viscosity fluids. Epicyclic gear. An epicyclic gear train, also known as a planetary gear set, it is a gear reduction assembly consisting of two gears mounted so that the center of one gear revolves around the center of the other. The epicyclic gear trains are useful for transmitting high velocity ratios with gears of moderate size in a comparatively lesser space. Rack and pinion. A rack and pinion is a type of linear actuator that comprises a circular gear engaging a linear gear. Together, they convert between rotational motion and linear motion. Rack and pinion combinations are often used as part of a simple linear actuator, where the rotation of a shaft powered by hand or by a motor is converted to linear motion. Bevel gear. Bevel gears are cone-shaped gears which transmit motion between two intersecting shafts. Straight bevel gears are the simplest of these bevel gears with their teeth being straight and pointing toward the apex of the cone. Spiral bevel gear. A spiral bevel gear is a bevel gear with helical teeth. The main application of this is in a vehicle differential, where the direction of drive from the drive shaft must be turned 90 degrees to drive the wheels. Worm gear. A worm gear is a gear consisting of a shaft with a spiral thread that engages with and drives a toothed wheel. If you really like this video, then like, share and comment. Also subscribe the channel.